What's up, guys? It's Boyle, and in today's video we're going to be playing Cat Mario 2 HD. I heard this is going to be really hard, so let's go ahead and start it. Oh, wait, settings, you already know, guys. Oh, there's no settings. Let's get it, boys. What? This is stupid. How am I supposed to beat this? God dang it! And I clicked the ad again. Oh my god. Stupid music. How am I supposed to beat this dude? Oh my god. I'm not even gonna be able to get past the first freaking part. And here comes an ad. I suck at this game. I don't know how to play this. I hate this game. Don't download this game. Don't play this game. This game is gay. Let's get it, boys. Let's get it. Oh, I think I know what I gotta do. I don't want Father the Bright Man. No, I started too late. Crap. Come on. No. This game is so stupid, bro. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Oh. No! I'm not even trying to jump that high. It jumps high whenever it wants to. Oh, there we go. Hey, boy. I thought I had it. I'm done with this game. You guys already know the ritual. If you guys want to download it, it's still freaking ads. If you guys want to download it, it's Cat Mario 2 HD. Deleting my files, yes, I don't care, nigga. And you know how we do it. This is the app right here. It's gone. It's gone, right? It's gone. Uninstall. Yes. Well, guys, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs down. Comment the game that you want me to play. And remember, watch my other videos and subscribe.